Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to tell you a story, The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time in a village, three little pigs and a mother pig used to live. As time passed by, the three little pigs became adults. So one day the mother pig said to them that they are not little anymore and they are adults and they should learn to take care of themselves now. So they said they should leave her now and she they no longer need her support. So she gave them some money and set them to leave. So in these three brother pigs, two are foolish and one is wise. So while walking down in the forest in their path, they discussed about their future plans. So one pig told that I will leave both of you and I will live far away from both of you and I will construct a house. And the second pig said the same. The third pig, which is a wiser one, told that I don't think that is a good plan. We three of us should live together so that we could take care of each other and we can be more safe. The two little pigs disagreed and said that they don't need to listen to him. The pig requested and said that we will construct three different houses by ourselves and we will live together in three different houses. The pigs agreed. So they found the place and they went to the shop to buy their materials. The first pig bought straw from the farmers because it thought it could the straw is very cheap and it could save some money for future and live luxuriously. The second pig bought wood and thought it could be little safe and he could too save some money and lead a luxurious life in the future. The third pig was a wise pig, so it had sacrificed all its comforts and luxuries, but it bought bricks and decided to construct a strong brick house. So, but then they bought their materials by the evening. By the next morning, the first pig has completed constructing its house, and by the next day's evening, the second pig was able to construct its house with wood. So the construction of the third pig's house took a little longer because it was constructing a strong house. The two pigs came and laughed at him, but the third pig didn't bother. So the third pig to construct its house and it looked very strong. So one day a hungry wolf came that way. So the first pig and all the pigs resided in their homes. The first pig didn't let the wolf in, so the wolf took a long breath and blew very strongly and forcibly. Due to that force, the house made of straws blew away, and the first pig went into the second pig's house. The wooden house was also unable to withstand the force of the air blown by the wolf, so it too collapsed. These two pigs now went into the third pig's house. No matter how strong the wolf blew the air and tried to collapse it, it didn't collapse. So the two pigs thanked the third one because it saved them and said that we will listen to you from now. You were right, we were foolish, and we will never do it from now and we will live together. The wolf climbed into the chimney and tried to come in. The wiser pig had lit the chimney and the wolf fell into the fire and got burned. And since then the three pigs lived together and happily ever after. So the moral we have to learn from it is that united is the strongest strength.